Here is Snappy Slide exercise number 13. This pattern will be a little bit different from the others as we will be starting and ending in 6th position on C, and it will sound a little spooky or sad compared to our other patterns. Here's the full pattern. Listen closely. Let's sing and slide the first part of this pattern. It will be our notes going up and down, starting in 6th position. 1, 2, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4. Now, let's play that together. 1, 2, breathe. Go back and sing and slide that or play through that as you need. But now let's sing the second part of this pattern, starting in 3rd. 1, 2, sing. 3, 6, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Go ahead and slow that part down and repeat it as you need, as it has some weird jumps. Once you've done that and feel confident, let's play that part together. 1, 2, breathe. Now, before we play, let's sing and slide the full pattern together. 1, 2, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3, 6, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Now, let's play the full pattern together 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe. Use the YouTube speed up and slow down functions to work on this pattern at your own pace. Here is your end goal for speed 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe.